dude.
I kind of thought it was gonna be him again.
I can't tell you to hang up again.
I'm gonna make a guess.
You're gonna get a boyfriend.
I'm gonna get a boyfriend.
Ah! Oh.
Hi, boys. Where is he? There he is.
Oh my gosh!
That's why I started laughing. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy about this.
Okay,
Got it.
this is who I think it is.
Christy!
I'm just.
I had no idea you were so into Ellen.
Wait. That's what.
What? Oh my gosh. I love it.
You're right. I
Yes!
Reed Pittman all this time.
I got.
That is so
My boyfriend.
Wait, I think you should get that in the
Oh.
video too.
I think that's actually one of the first like real people we've gotten and not celebrities.
It is.
You're the first one to get like someone that could actually